Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code in Xcode. First, make sure you have all the requirements installed. You need Xcode and Node.js to verify. Open your terminal and type node-v to check your Node version, and then type npm-v to check your npm version. Next, install Claude Code globally. Open the Mac OS terminal and type npm install-g at anthropic-ai/claude-code. This will install the Claude CLI so you can use it anywhere. After that, set your API key by typing export anthropic_API_key equals and then your API key in quotes. This step is required to connect Claude to your account. Now, open your Xcode project. Launch Xcode and open the iOS or Mac OS project you want to work on. Keep your terminal open alongside so you can run Claude commands. Navigate to your project folder in the terminal and type cd space and then path to your Xcode project. Then you can run a Claude command like Claude. Explain this Swift file. Claude can generate Swift code, fix bugs, and even optimize your user interface logic. You can also integrate Claude into workflow for common tasks. For example, type Claude create Swift UI login screen and Claude will generate the code for you. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.